Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project Smart Sensor for Shock and Vibration Detection, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Link to the project is in the description of this video. Let's learn about a small but smart device that can detect shocks or vibrations. This device blinks a light whenever it feels a bump or shake. It's easy to use and works anywhere you need to keep an eye on movements. This project is important because it helps keep things safe. It can spot machine problems early, secure doors and windows, and even detect small earthquakes. It's simple to make and very useful. It is compact and portable. It is very simple to design and is affordable. An electronics engineer, DIY enthusiasts or makers can easily follow the circuit diagram and assemble the system. Engineering students or hobbyists looking for practical applications of their learning would also be able to develop this project. Also, prototype developers could refine the project into a more polished, scalable product for real-world use. Ready to find out how it works? This is our prototype. When we shake the sensor, you can see yellow LED glows indicating the shock or vibration. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. The SW18015P vibration sensor detects shocks or vibrations. When it senses a bump, its spring and pin mechanism temporarily closes the circuit, creating an electrical signal. The 2N20 NPN transistor is working as an amplifier to light up the LED. Electrolytic capacitors smooth out the short signals from the sensor, making the signal more stable. Resistors control the flow of electricity in the circuit, protecting parts like the LED and keeping everything working properly. The yellow LED is working as an indicator. It lights up to show when a shock or vibration is detected. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few connecting wires are used to make electrical connections. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including vibration sensor, transistors, LED, capacitors, resistors on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, power up the circuit. On vibration detected by the vibration sensor, the yellow LED glows. Voila! It works. What did you learn? Learn how the vibration sensor works to detect bumps or shakes. Learn how to put different components together to make a working device. Learn how to make the system easy to maintain and cost-effective. Interested in developing your own smart sensor for shock and vibration detection system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.